Welcome to the session and introduction to assignment models. Objective of this assignment model is to find the optimal schedule or optimal route, optimal ways, and for that optimal route, optimal cost we have to find out. So, what is an assignment problem? There are in the real life problem, there are so many thousands of problems are there to opt the things. So in many places, suppose a transportation system it is there. In that transportation system, drivers will be there, conductors will be there. That so one example I am explaining you that about a transportation system of a bus in a particular depot. So assigning a driver, a conductor to the bus, there is a allotment or assignment for each and every day. Many people maybe the leave, medical leave, shift basis, shift 1, shift 2, shift 3. Suppose in a particular depot there will be 10,000 employees, drivers will be there, some 20,000 conductors will be there, or a different or some other situation in the hospitals, ward to doctors, or in colleges, the classroom to teacher to allocate the situation. You have to allocate a proper allotment. If the allotment is missing, whether human resources will be wasted, cost will be wasted, time will be wasted. To minimize all those things, one of the topic we used to say assignment is a method. It is a special type of a linear programming problem. It involves most efficient people to projects, sales people to tertiaries, bidders to contract to bidders. Like that you can assign to anybody. So aim of this assignment problem is assigning one person to one mission or one person to one job, each one we used to say. So it is used to maximize the profit or to extract the more work with minimization cost. It is often used to minimize the cost. Purpose of assignment problem: assignment is a technique to find lowest possible allocable cost of project by assigning the best possible least cost to the jobs and workers. So objective is to where the problems arises there and all, to minimize that traffic is there, that congestion can be reduced. So parking, multi-level parking to think or optimizing the things, or lower income people, suppose households required anything based on the income to assign, giving subsidies to which people, to which scheme is applicable, like that. Or mobility of for drivers, one place to another place, how it is there to improve this security each and every place. That all those are the applications for that. So based on this, you can reduce the cost. So many uses: energy conservation, air noise or water pollution protection, local economic development, improved public fitness, health, increased everything we can attain with using the minimum assignment. Right. Once again, the mathematical model for the assignment problem we are entering. So here there are some men are there, some jobs are there, There are three jobs are there. There are three machines are there. Three jobs and three machines are there. So there are totally 9 possibilities are there. So here you might have seen that 3 into 3, there are totally 9 possibilities are there. Among the 9 possibilities, which is the best alternative, we are going to find that it should be give the most efficient assignment and the most efficient cost for the client. Like that we are going to decide. So this is a employees 1, employees 2, employees 3, employees 4. The group of people is there. This we have to assign the job 1, job 2, job 3. It is a 4 rows and 3 columns. It is there. First, you have to make it balanced. So for the mathematical problem for this, there are n jobs are there, n persons are there. We used to call it is n cross n matrix will be given. This is a balanced assignment problem. We used to say the constraints will be given. The constraint it is first job is allocated to the first person. Second job is allocated to the second person is allocated to, similarly nth job is allocated to the first job. Like that you can assign the jobs to persons one to one. Right, here there are different types of assignment models, differently we can explain about the square matrix. Means rows and columns are equal, that is 3 by 3 or 2 by 2 or 4 by 4, that and all we used to say that for a square matrix. Balanced matrix is, if a square matrix is called both are same, it is a balanced, we used to say in assignment. If rectangular matrix it is there, we cannot say that it is a balanced one, it should be a square matrix. In assignment we used to say that balanced. Unbalanced means rows and columns are not equal. If it is a rectangular matrix 3 into 4 or 4 into 6, anything, it is called the unbalanced assignment problem. Maximization means, so in many situations, sometimes minimization we will take it, sometimes maximization we used to take it. Where and all sales, that and all it is there in particular places, we used to maximize the profit. But where and all cost it is there, if it is a total cost, that and all to minimize the cost. So some situations, whenever profit we say, we have to go for the maximization. When and all cost it is minimization, that we used to say, that is maximization we used to say. Restricted of assignment it is whenever the some entries it is a empty sales it will be there, that is called the restricted. So traveling salesman means a person start at a particular point, he will reach to the same point with touching one city, a circular route to be path to be formed, that is called the traveling salesman problem. Right, so these are the steps you have to make it. This we will explain in the next presentation, that is a column subtraction, row subtraction, lines method, assigning zeros, apply box cross rule, and schedule, cost, that and all we can able to see. So that's it, we break for questions. The method used for solving an assignment problem called these methods, all the methods we used to say that it is a Hungarian method, we used to say, right? Hungarian method is a assignment problem, or a Hungarian method we used to say. For a salesman who has to visit n cities, which of the following are the ways and his tour plan? Has to visit n cities. N cities is n factorial, we used to say. Here answer it was given little wrong, but n into n, it is n factorial. Possibilities are there, that we used to go for that n factorial. This it is wrong. Right. Yes, summary. Assignment model, what it is, mathematical formulation, different methods of assignment models, how to maximize for the given problem. Thank you.